What is happening, automotive fanatics? It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you guys with another product unveiling. So what we have today, we've got this box and I'm going to go ahead and open, and as usual, I am extremely excited to see what we have going on in this box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rip into this box and see what we have. Just come here. All right, so it looks like we have a BlackVue dash cam that we are going to be working on. Here is the dash cam from BlackVue, and unlike other product guys, this is going to be a game changer. The thing about this camera is it is an LTE setup from BlackVue, so I am just stoked to get this installed. And wow, we also have a BlackVue B124X backup battery that we are going to be installing. So both of these are going to be in tandem. Let's take a look at inside of this BlackVue LTE dash setup here. Package super nice. And check it out, guys. The DR750 2-channel LTE 4G, which denotes that it is cellular capable. And we've got the front facing, rear facing, and underneath here you're going to have all of your cables. And this is the granddaddy of them all for the battery backup. Again, it's the B124X. Lots of cabling here. And here's the battery pack, as you guys can tell. Now, if you guys have followed my channel, you will know that this this dash cam setup is not going to be the first time that I have done it. I've done it 2 other times. Why am I going back to BlackVue? I'll tell you guys. Again, I've used their products before and I am a strong believer in their products. I love their products, and this new one that I have, again, it's a game changer because you're able to do LTE slash, I'll say, cellular signal from the dash cam. And what that means is you will be able to see your dash cam wherever you are, whether you're at work, if you're having coffee and your car is parked somewhere that you're a little concerned about. If you've got the front and rear facing dash cams, you can actually check via the data connection on the dash cam. So again, game changer. I absolutely love the idea, and with it being combined with that backup battery, you are able to have what is called parking mode in the car, so that you always have the dash cam on pretty much, I'll say not quite 24/7, but that battery pack can last up to 16 hours with the experience that I've had running the dual channel front and rear, and it could run between 18 and 20 if you are running just the front facing camera. So super nice to have if you guys want to add that. So that is going to be the product unveil. I cannot wait to get this installed in the Porsche. Again, I love their products, and with it being an LTE setup, it's going to be a game changer, and the fact that you can use it as a Wi-Fi hotspot. So on to the next video, we are going to go ahead and do the product DIY in the Porsche 997. This is also going to apply to other Porsches as well. So you guys want to stick around and follow me for the next video. I'll catch you later.